Hi everyone, my name is Sharice. If you're new, if you're not new, thank you for clicking on another video. So today's video is going to be a first impression Friday slash versus type video. So recently Influenster sent me the new Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder, which is this right here, and I want to compare it to the Laura Mercier what is this called, Translucent Medium Deep Powder. I think that would be a good idea to see how this one stacks up to this one, because I feel like this one's like a cult favorite and this one's new. So like I said, Influencer did send me this product. This is what the box looks like that they sent it in. It came with this little card right here that just basically has information on the back of it. It says that it's supposed to, the powder is supposed to blur pores and cut shine. It's supposed to be lightweight and smooth. It has like avocado powder in it and hyaluronic acid and, you know, just blase, blase, blah. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Oh, and then this is the like actual packaging. Just real clean and simple. The funny thing is, Influencer also sent me the Laura Mercier powder when it first came out, and I did a video of this versus the Sasha Buttercup. And if you've been watching my channel, you know I have not picked this up since then. Just not. What we're going to do is put some concealer on. This is the Sephora Collection Concealer in Ganache. I obviously already have my foundation on and some lipstick and my brows. That's all I got going on right now. I probably should have used a different concealer, but whatever. I did my own press-ons last night instead of having my friend who usually does them do them, and it was tragic. Like, I painted my nails and then immediately went to sleep. So I have like little imprints from my sheet all over my freaking nails. Just tragic. But whatever. So the concealer is on. Let's talk about the differences between these two. So you can get them both at Sephora. The Laura Mercier is $38 for an ounce, and the Milk is $28 or $29 for a little bit less than an ounce. I want to say it was 0.87 ounces. Cool. I believe they both come in 3 separate shades. Let me show you the packaging differences. I have my fan on. This is a terrible idea. Shit. Okay, there's not that much in there. So you can see what this one looks like. Has some holes in the middle. That's about it. And then this is what this one looks like. A little sponge. This is actually my first time opening this. And then it has this little seal situation. Oh no, this isn't going to be good with nails. Shit. Oh, just kidding. That was fine. There we go. That little thing. Blur, set, go. Damn it. I can't get the sticker off to save my life. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Calm down. It has this little thing. Gonna lift that up. And then this is what the inside looks like. Like, you can't just dump it out. You know how a lot of people just dump their, you know, just get some out and then that's how they get their products. It looks like this one you have to like more so press on. So let's go ahead and try it. Oh yeah, you press on it and it comes out. Don't talk about my nails. I really can't get the powder out, y'all. Like I don't know if you can see like the cloud that's coming out. Yeah, I don't really like the packaging for this. Okay, so there's so much freaking product coming out. Oh my god. But not on my sponge. Just drifting away. I don't know if there's going to be a proper versus because you can't really see it, I feel like. Like you can see it, but it's not powder. I feel like this is obviously so you don't use as much product, if that makes sense. Because I know for the Laura one, I can for sure, and for the Sasha one, you for sure can put way too much powder on your face. Do this side of my face. And then I'm gonna go in with the Laura. Look, it's so easy to just get some powder on your sponge. So you can for sure see it. I feel like I like the Laura side better because of the color. I feel like maybe this side is a little too dark. I don't know. I'm looking at myself in my phone. It's connected to my camera. And on camera, it doesn't really seem like there's a difference between the colors. But in person, I feel like this side of my face just looks a little darker. And you can't really bake with this side or anything, so there's really nothing for me to dust off. I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. So I did all I'm gonna do to my face for today because I'm literally just going to go get some boba and come right back to the house. Let's talk about my thoughts. I don't like the packaging. I feel like that's maybe like the biggest thing is that I really just don't like the packaging. I understand maybe where they were trying to go with it. Like, you're not gonna make a mess. This is definitely travel friendly because nothing is going to come out. You don't have to worry about, you know, opening your bag, your makeup bag or whatever. Opening your makeup bag or whatever and all the powder is all over the place. But like, I just don't, I kind of want my powder to be out, but not completely out, if that makes sense to you. Like, if the packaging had this same, like the holes and stuff in there and then this little lid on top, I would love it. I would love it. But like putting my sponge in there and trying to get the stuff out, I didn't enjoy that at all. As far as the powder itself, I don't hate it, I don't like it. Like, I don't hate it, but I don't like it. I don't know, I'm just like meh about it. I do feel like this is the side that I have the milk powder on. I do feel like maybe this side is a little more shinier than the Laura side. What do y'all think? Like, it doesn't really seem super matte to me. Look, let me look at myself. Yeah, it doesn't really seem super like matte to me. But yeah, that's just my first impressions on it. I don't really have anything else to say. I'm not going to stretch this video out. If you've tried the new milk powder, let me know down below what you think of it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so more people can see this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Go watch some of these situations over here.